Welcome back to MrGadget. I've been incredibly excited for today's video because we are finally getting our hands on the new king of tablets, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S11. There's been a ton of hype around this device, with everyone calling it the ultimate powerhouse for 2026, and I'm here to see if it truly lives up to the flagship name. I'm MrGadget, and today we're going to unbox it and walk through the initial setup. The box is classic Samsung, elegant, eco-friendly, and very slim. As we open it up, the first thing we see is the S11 itself. Aside from the tablet, we have the S Pen included in the box, which is a huge win, the SIM ejector tool, the usual paperwork, and a high-quality USB-C charging cable. No charging brick here, so make sure you have your 45-watt fast charger ready. Let's look at this build. The finish on the back is absolutely stunning. A refined matte armor aluminum that feels incredibly premium and, thankfully, resists fingerprints. It's impossibly thin, coming in at just 0.23 inches. We have a breathtaking 11-inch dynamic AMOLED, 2x display with razor-thin bezels. It's light, it's sleek, and the build quality is on a whole different level compared to the A series. Weighing in at just about 467 grams, it feels perfectly balanced. It's light enough for one-handed use, but has that solid, high-end weight that screams quality. Now let's get this started with the first boot and walk through the setup process. Setting up a new Android device is a breeze, and it's pretty much the same across all recent models. First, go ahead and pick your language and region. Some tablets might require a quick restart after this step. Next, agree to the privacy policy. Personally, I usually leave the diagnostic data as optional. Now, you can actually continue the setup on your phone, which is way more convenient since it copies all your settings and accounts automatically. If not, just sign into your Wi-Fi network. This is also the part where you can transfer data from your old tablet if you have one ready. I highly recommend signing into your Google account now, so you can jump straight into the Play Store later. When it comes to security, which is a top priority, make sure to set up a strong PIN or password. Protect your privacy from day one. In the next menu, you can keep everything enabled, but I'd suggest skipping the optional diagnostic data. Again, if you don't have another backup plan, definitely enable Google Backup for your photos and device data. You'll also be asked to choose your preferred search engine. And if you're a fan of Google Assistant, you can activate the voice commands right here. Since this is a Samsung, the Samsung account is mandatory. You can easily sign in using your Google account or email. I'd recommend keeping all Samsung services enabled to get the full experience. Now, pick your favorite theme, light or dark, and hit next to update all the pre-installed apps. In this final step, you might see some app suggestions based on your profile. And that's it! Welcome to your new home screen. The first thing I always do is jump into the settings to check the software version and make sure the tablet is fully up to date. Let's take a look. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.